Assalamu alaikum dear students. Today we will discuss General Biochemistry MCQs Part-2nd. What type of infection is tuberculosis? Option A viral, option B bacterial, option C fungal, and option D parasitic. So the correct option is B bacterial. AIDS virus destroys the digestive system of the human body. Option A circulation, B immune system, C digestion, and option D brain. So the correct option is B immune system. Which carbohydrate is stored in the liver and muscle of animals? Option A cellulose, B glycogen, C starch, and option D chitin. So the correct option is B glycogen. Water cannot be used to extinguish fire caused by an electric current because option A it may cause another short circuit, B it may cause hydrolysis, option C it may cause an electric current. So the correct option is A it may cause another short circuit. Which sets of color combinations are added in color vision on TV? Option A red, green and blue, option B argon, orange, black and violet, and option C white, red and yellow. So the correct option is A red, green and blue. Which of the following is a primary component of natural gas? Option A methane, and option B ethanol, option C propane, and option D butane. So the correct option is A methane. Cloudy nights are warmer because of option A clouds prevent radiation of heat from ground to air, option B low atmospheric pressure, C the compact density of air. So the correct option is A clouds prevent radiation of heat from ground to air. Food is cooked quickly in a pressure cooker because option A the boiling point of water is decreased, option B the boiling point of water is increased, and option C it absorbs heat quickly. So the correct option is B the boiling point of water is increased. Which gland produces the hormone thyroxine? Option A pituitary gland, B thyroid gland, C adrenal gland, and option D pancreas. So the correct option is B thyroid gland. The AIDS virus is called option A HBV, B HBS, C HIV, and option D VIH. So the correct option is C HIV. Cataract is a disease which is due to option A defect in the optic nerve, B inflammation in the eye, C opacity of cornea, and option D opacity of lens. So the correct option is C opacity of cornea. Which of the following is a transition metal? Option A iron, B potassium, C calcium, and option D sodium. So the correct option is A iron. So this is very important MCQs. In which form glucose is stored in the liver? Option A lactic acid, B lactose, option C ribose, and option D glycogen. So the correct option is D, glycogen. Which of the following is a halogen? Option A, sodium, B, chlorine, option C, calcium, and option D, potassium. So the correct option is B, chlorine. Which hormone regulates blood sugar levels? Option A, insulin, B, glucagon, C, thyroxine, and option D, adrenaline. So the correct option is A, insulin. What is the chemical formula for table salt? Option A, NaCl, B, HCl, C, NaOH, and option D, H2SO4. So the correct option is A, NaCl. What is the function of the hormone adrenaline? Option A, regulates blood pressure, B, stimulates metabolism, option C, prepare body for fight or flight response, and option D, regulates body temperature. So the correct option is C, prepares body for fight or flight response. Which gland produces the hormone insulin? Option A, pituitary gland, B, thyroid gland, C, adrenal gland, and option D, pancreas. So the correct option is D, pancreas. Which hormone regulates water balance in the body? Option A, ADH, B, aldosterone, C, insulin, and option D, thyroxine. So the correct option is A, ADH, antidiuretic hormone. What is the function of the hormone glucagon? Option A, regulates blood sugar levels, option B, stimulates metabolism, option C, prepares body for fight or flight response, and option D, regulates water balance. So the correct option is A, regulates blood sugar levels. Which gland produces the hormone aldosterone? Option A, pituitary gland, B, thyroid gland, C, adrenal gland, and option D, pancreas. So the correct option is C, adrenal gland. What is the function of the hormone vasopressin? Option A, regulates water balance, B, stimulates metabolism, C, prepares body for fight or flight response, and option D, regulates blood pressure. So the correct option is A, regulates water balance. Which hormone regulates metabolism? Option A, thyroxine, B, triiodothyronine, option C, glucagon, and option D, insulin. So the correct option is A, thyroxine. Which hormone regulates growth and development? Option A, growth hormone, B, thyroxine, C, insulin, and option D, glucagon. So the correct option is A, growth hormone. Which gland produces the hormone oxytocin? Option A, pituitary gland, B, thyroid gland, C, adrenal gland, and option D, pancreas. So the correct option is A, pituitary gland. Which hormone regulates appetite? Option A, leptin, B, amylase, C, insulin, and option D, glucagon. So the correct option is A, leptin. What is the function of the hormone prolactin? Option A, regulates milk production in lactating women. Option B, stimulates metabolism. Option C, prepares body for fight or flight response, and option D, regulates water balance. So the correct option is A, regulates milk production in lactating women? Which hormone regulates bone growth and development? Option A, growth hormone, B, thyroxine, C, calcitonin, and option D, parathyroid hormone. So the correct option is D, parathyroid hormone. Which gland produces the hormone cortisol? Option A, pituitary gland, B, thyroid gland, C, adrenal gland, and option D, pancreas. So the correct option is C, adrenal gland. So this is very important MCQs. Which vitamin is essential for blood clotting? Option A, vitamin A, option B, vitamin C, option C, vitamin D, and option D, vitamin K. So the correct option is D, vitamin K. Which gland produces the hormone estrogen? Option A, pituitary gland, B, thyroid gland, C, adrenal gland, and option D, ovary. So the correct option is D, ovary. Which vitamin is primarily responsible for vision and immune function? Option A, vitamin A, option B, vitamin B12, option C, vitamin C, and option D, vitamin E. So the correct option is A, vitamin A. Which vitamin is crucial for the absorption of calcium and phosphorus in the body? Option A, vitamin B6, option B, vitamin C, option C, vitamin D, and option D, vitamin E. So the correct option is C, vitamin D. Which of the following is a greenhouse gas? Option A, oxygen, B, nitrogen, option C, carbon dioxide, and option D, argon. So the correct option is C, carbon dioxide. Which of the following amino acid can form disulfide bonds? Option A, glycine, B, alanine, C, cysteine, and option D, leucine. So the correct option is C, cysteine. What is the function of the hormone parathyroid hormone? Option A, regulates calcium level, B, stimulates metabolism, option C, prepares body for fight or flight response, and option D, regulates water balance. So the correct option is A, regulates calcium level. What is the pH value of the neutral solution? Option A, 7, B, 10, option C, 5, and option D, 14. So the correct option is A, 7. Which vitamin is known as ascorbic acid? Option A, vitamin A, option B, vitamin B, option C, vitamin K, and option D, vitamin C. So the correct option is D, vitamin C. Which vitamin deficiency is associated with the development of rickets in children? Option A, vitamin A, option B, vitamin B12, option C, vitamin C, and option D, vitamin D. So the correct option is D, vitamin D. Which of the following is a polysaccharide? Option A, glucose, B, cellulose, option C, fructose, and option D, maltose. So the correct option is B, cellulose. So this is very important MCQs. What is the chemical formula for ammonia? Option A, NH3, option B, N2, option C, NO2, and option D, H2O. So the correct option is A, NH3. What type of bone joins monosaccharides? What type of bond joins monosaccharides to form disaccharide? Option A, peptide bond, B, glycosidic bond, C, ester bond, and option D, hydrogen bond. So the correct option is B, glycosidic bond. So this is very important MCQs. What is the chemical formula for sulfuric acid? Option A, H2SO4, option B, HCl, option C, NaOH, and option D, CH4. So the correct option is A, H2SO4. Which of the following is a non-metal? Option A, sodium, B, oxygen, C, magnesium, and option D, aluminium. So the correct option is B, oxygen. Which of the following is a greenhouse gas released from livestock farming? Option A, methane, B, oxygen, C, nitrogen, and option D, hydrogen. So the correct option is A, methane. Which of the following is a polysaccharide? Option A, glucose, B, maltose, C, glycogen, and option D, fructose. So the correct option is C, glycogen. What is the chemical formula for carbon monoxide? Option A, CO, B, CO2, C, CH4, and option D, C2H6. So the correct option is A, CO. What is the basic chemical formula of carbohydrates? So the correct option is A. Which of the following is a monosaccharide? Option A, sucrose, B, lactose, C, glucose, and option D, starch. So the correct option is C, glucose. So this is very important MCQs. Sucrose is composed of which two monosaccharides? Option A, glucose and fructose. Option B, glucose and galactose. Option C, fructose and galactose. And option D, glucose and glucose. So the correct option is A, glucose and fructose. Which enzyme breaks down starch into maltose? Option A, lactase, B, amylase, C, sucrose, and option D, isomerase. So the correct option is B, amylase. Which carbohydrate cannot be digested by humans? Option A, starch, B, cellulose, C, glycogen, and option D, lactose. So the correct option is B, cellulose. Which of the following is a storage form of carbohydrates in animals? Option A, cellulose, B, glycogen, C, starch, and option D, chitin. So the correct option is B, glycogen. Which of the following is a reducing sugar? Option A, sucrose, B, fructose, C, glucose, and option D, maltose. So the correct option is C, glucose. What is the main function of carbohydrate in the body? Option A, provide insulation. Option B, store genetic information. C, provide energy. And option D, catalyze biochemical reactions. So the correct option is C, provide energy. Which carbohydrate is found in the exoskeleton of insects? Option A, cellulose, B, starch, option C, chitin, and option D, glycogen. So the correct option is C, chitin. Which of the following carbohydrates has a sweet taste? Option A, glycogen, B, cellulose, C, starch, and option D, fructose. So the correct option is D, fructose. Which process converts glucose to pyruvate? Option A, gluconeogenesis. B, glycogenesis. C, glycolysis. And option D, glycogenolysis. So the correct option is C, glycolysis. Which of the following is an example of a disaccharide? Option A, glucose. B, ribose. C, lactose. And option D, fructose. So the correct option is C, lactose. Which polysaccharide is found in plant cell wall? Option A, glycogen. B, cellulose. C, starch. And option D, chitin. So the correct option is B, cellulose. What is the primary function of glycogen in the human body? Option A, structural support. B, energy storage. C, enzyme activity. And option D, hormone production. So the correct option is B, energy storage. Which of the following is a noble gas? Option A, oxygen. B, helium. C, nitrogen. And option D, hydrogen. So the correct option is B, helium. What is the function of the hormone progesterone? Option A, regulates menstrual cycle. B, stimulates metabolism. C, prepares body for fight or flight response. And option D, regulates water balance. So the correct option is A, regulates menstrual cycle. What is the chemical formula for water? Option A, H2O2. B, CO2. C, H2O. And option D, CH4. So the correct option is C, H2O. Which of the following sugars is known as milk sugar? Option A, glucose. B, fructose. C, sucrose. And option D, lactose. So the correct option is D, lactose. If you like this video, please सब्सक्राइब माई यूट्यूब चैनल। अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद है, बराए मेहरबानी मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल को सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर करें। Which carbohydrate is the primary source of energy for the brain? Option A, fructose. B, galactose. C, glucose. And option D, sucrose. So the correct option is C, glucose. What is the chemical symbol for gold? So the correct option is A, Au. Which hormone regulates testicular function? Option A, testosterone. B, follicle stimulating hormone. Option C, luteinizing hormone. And option D, prolactin. So the correct option is A, testosterone. Thank you for watching my videos.